Hey honey, what are we doing tonight?
We're making sugar-free blueberry crumble dessert. What? I saw this in my inbox tonight. I've never even tried it. It's a recipe compliments of Lakanto, which is a monk fruit sweetener that we like to use. Go ahead and give them a free commercial.
I hope it will focus. I'm not on the other side of the camera.
Yeah. Anyway, it's my favorite sweetener as of late. You could also use another one-to-one keto-friendly sweetener like Swerve if you so are inclined. These are great because they don't have a glycemic index, so you can get that craving, that reaction, all that good stuff. So
Putting the bag in front of what you're doing.
You can't see.
She's just taking blueberries, and they're frozen blueberries.
I got 2 pounds of frozen organic blueberries.
Yeah. And did you
still enough highway?
And did you spray the pan with anything beforehand?
No, because it didn't tell me to. Silly, huh? It's supposed to go in a 2-quart baking dish. I'm just gonna kind of feel this out because we don't have a 2-quart baking dish. I know he loves when I feel things out. All right, so we're gonna start. We're gonna just go for it. It says 1/4 cup to a cup, and just sprinkle the blueberries gently, depending on your level of sweetness. We've been keto for a while. We don't have to have things so sweet, so I'm going for a 1/4 cup. I think that looks just lovely.
I got enough sweet stuff right here, baby.
Oh, shucks. Is that good for you? You good with a 1/4 cup? Or you want a little more?
If we're gonna do something sweet, I want just a little bit. Oh my God, too much. That's too much.
Too bad.
No, a cow.
Sweet.
Oh, you just.
All right. Next thing we do is we need to cut some cream cheese into thin slices and layer them over the blueberries.
Well, I definitely know how to cut the cheese.
While melting butter. I am getting out the ingredients for the crumble while he is making these lovely slivers and slices of cream cheese. So, a pinch of salt, a couple pinches, whatevs, 1.5 cups of almond flour. I think I could do a cup of almond flour because we didn't go all balls out with a giant thing. So, of shredded coconut. Don't use the wrong thing. Okay,
so we're gonna put a link at the end.
Yeah, we'll do a link to the Lakanto video.
Am I supposed to do the sounds?
Yes. Please do. There's the crumble. We're gonna bake this covered in foil for 15 minutes on 350, and then we're gonna remove the cover and bake another 15 minutes until it's bubbly, and then we're gonna eat it and decide if we're gonna upload this one. Yep. Throw those crumbles on top. Favorite way to eat dessert. Sean's making it all.
Show them,
Blueberry. Oh, I'm showing them.
I wouldn't get
The
too
blueberries.
close. I don't know if you're going to be in focus.
With the fake sugar, the monk fruit sweetener that we use, Lakanto Classic, some slivers of cream cheese, and a bunch of crumbles. So we're gonna cover it the first 15, uncover it the second 15.
Hold on.
What?
I'm going to take a little bit
Really?
of the fine shredded coconut.
Because it's unsweetened, so good. Cuckoo.
And I'm just going to do some little sprinkles. You just want to add some layers.
30 minutes is all.
Yeah, show it to him. Let me see. Remember, dessert. The first thing you do with dessert is you eat it with your eyes.
Okay, 15 minutes on the clock. We're at 3:50. Again, once that time runs out, I'm just going to put another 15 on the clock and take away the foil and see how this turns out. And if it sucks, we're not going to post the video. So don't you worry. If you're watching this, it was good. Come on, what?
Let's clean up.
Clean up, everybody, everywhere.
Clean up,
Everybody do your share.
Clean up, you little sh**. That was our daycare we went to.
I think it's sexy when my husband cleans.
I call this mommy porn.
Dance break. Oh. 4 minutes, 45 seconds. Ding! No, me, no, me. Foil. Seriously? Looks exactly like it did 15 minutes ago. Do not induce vomiting unless told to do so by poison control. Keep poison for EMS. Chocolate chip cookies, whipped cream, berries, blueberry cream cheese crumble, cheesecake. Go!
We're gonna add 5 more minutes.
5 minutes. Look at him. Get the giggles today. Set yourself on fire.
We'll have to pause and play just that line.
Hammer time.
Okay. It's definitely harder. It's more crumbly.
Yes.
It doesn't look like the cream cheese is all the way melted, which was really bizarre. That's why we added an extra 5 minutes. But
35
besides that,
minutes. I don't know what else you're gonna do to cream cheese to make it melt. Ah, blueberry juices.
I think the blueberries are good.
cream cheese.
Cream cheese. That's good.
This is great. It's not that sweet, but it tastes natural, I should say. It tastes very wholesome, like very fresh and very berry-esque. So it's awesome.
Good job, Lakanto. 2 thumbs up. We'll put a link to their recipe in the comments. video, give us a like, subscribe, hit the bell. What else do they do? Comment below, let us know.
That's it. If you have any ideas, my idea was I would add a little spices into the crumble part. I would do a little cinnamon, definitely. Cinnamon would be great. A little bit of nutmeg. I mean, just a itty bitty bitty bit. I used to like soupy desserts. So if you wanted it like a bread pudding, you could put a little cream on it. That would be really good. Because the crumbles I think could support a little bit of cream to them.
Yeah.
So that's it. I think we're done.
Later, gators.
Peace.